Hey guys, it's Dom from MobileTechTalk. We are here in Paris for the Huawei P20, P20 Pro, and surprisingly, the Huawei Mate RS launch. Now this, of course, is the Porsche design Mate RS, and you can, apart from see that it's basically a mirror and a fingerprint magnet, you can see this thing is absolutely gorgeous. So what Huawei have done is they've taken the P20 Pro base and they've kind of turned everything up to 11. So whereas the P20 tops out at 128 gigs of internal storage, the low-end Mate RS is 256 and the higher end is 512 gigabytes of internal storage. That is absolutely insane. What we're looking at here is a 6-inch 2440 by 1440, 2880 by 1440 display, and you can. Three, two. What we're looking at here is a 6-inch 2K OLED, flexible OLED display, so that's 2880 by 1440. And what Huawei said they have done is they've curved both sides of the glass on this phone, so they've done this side, this side, this side, and this side, as well as this side, this side, this side, and this side. So they're saying this has 8 curved sides, and I must say, guys, this display is absolutely gorgeous. I'm not usually a big fan of phones that have the display curved right over the edges, but it works on this, and I've really got to give them props where it's due. What is cool and very different about this is not only is there a fingerprint scanner on the back, this is the first Huawei phone with a fingerprint scanner in the display. As you can see here, we can't set this one up, unfortunately, that has been disabled, but it is here, and you can see it's roughly about there. Otherwise, what we're basically looking at here is a P20 Pro with everything else turned up to 11. Again, this has been our quick hands-on of the Huawei Mate RS Porsche design in Paris and Huawei 2018. Until next time, guys, see ya.